Look, there's a watermark on this video. Not anymore. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. Today I have a very quick video for you. So watermarks are annoying in videos. Of course, they are there for a purpose, but when you want to reuse a video from TikTok for your own content, which is completely legal within the guidelines, a watermark might be at an annoying spot, whether it's the TikTok logo with the user handle jumping around the video or the creator's own watermark. Well, I'm here to show you that it's not going to be a problem anymore. We're going to remove that watermark just like I showed you at the beginning of this video using the UniConverter. So first and foremost, download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then open it up and look at this nice home interface. You have all the best tools right here, and you'll find even more of them if you click on the More Tools option. Then on this page, scroll down to the AI Lab section and click on the Watermark Editor. The Watermark Editor has two functions. It can remove watermarks and it can add watermarks. Now we'll obviously use the Remove Watermark feature. So import your video or videos. You can add multiple videos here in your batch list and remove watermarks faster. You can add up to 5 watermark areas. In this first example, we have a stationary watermark that stays in the same spot throughout the entire video. The fixed one is really simple to remove. Just select the area and make sure that the duration of this area is set for the entire length of the video. With a TikTok video, we'll have a watermark that changes its location, but there's a solution to that as well. For the TikTok video, we need to use multiple watermark areas with different lengths. First, let's select this watermark here and see how long it will be at this spot. Five seconds. So let's adjust the duration to this bracket. Now let's do the same thing with the other one. Great, so now first it will remove this watermark and then remove the other one. In case you have videos where the watermarks are in the same exact spots and have the same sizes, you can always click on the Apply to All option here to speed up the process. And lastly, choose an output folder and then click on Remove Watermark. Let's wait while the UniConverter works its magic. And now let's look at the results. Okay, if you like the results, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let us know if you have any questions, and with that being said, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.